question first before you record. Are you recording right now?
Yes.
Okay. I guess this is way too bumpy.
Hmm.
458. 458. Let's go. Bye, guys.
That's it.
Yeah. This is just a speed cubing clip.
What about this one?
No, we're just doing 3x3.
Yeah, but your video needs to be a little longer. Why don't you do a pyramid? Now you're in the pyramid section. Give me go.
Mega Mix.
Yeah, but you're not solving that. You're not ready for that. Not yet. I don't think so. Oh, it sure looks like you solved it from this angle. Oh! Just do it. You're dead on one hand. Ready? Okay. In 3, 2. I can't do it one. I'm not good with this.
If you don't want to have your whole life one-handed, you shouldn't lose a hand.
Yeah, I shouldn't lose a hand. Sometimes you don't have a choice. I don't think anybody chooses that. Unless they choose to save like their kid's life or something. Oh no! I gotta solve this real quick. Oh no! There's one more. My one hand. I can't even turn this one.
Look at my pyramids. Whoa!
Okay, bye guys.
No!
Oh, now you want to do a gear cube.
And then another video for the cube battle with my dad. And we're gonna do 20 solves.
No. Okay, bye guys.